Do you have a business who ships products? Can you imagine running out of pallets when your shipment is ready to go? Durham Pallet Services, located in Whitby, Ontario, can make you any type of pallets you need at affordable prices with no minimums or contracts required. Do you need new GMA standard size pallets? Used or recycled 48 by 40 pallets, or a custom-made pallet? Durham Pallet has you covered. Starting with 3 staff members and 1 customer in 2001, Durham Pallet has grown to over 50 full-time staff members and occupies 41,000 square feet of warehouse space, so we are able to meet your every need on time and exactly the way you need it. You will stop looking for a pallet supplier when you reach out to Durham Pallet, servicing Toronto and the GTA. Check our website, www.durhampallet.com. You'll be happy you did.